Okay, okay, I'm just gonna quickly go over the outline of how we would be painting this Pikachu. Okay, so here are the main paints that we will be using: red, yellow, blue, black, brown, and white. So just try and get your hands on this. It doesn't have to be this type of brand. I just got these at the dollar store, so just get whatever you can. Like the previous picture that we have done using a pencil crayon of Pikachu, I'm hoping to come up with something that looks like this. I actually like how it looks like right now using a pencil crayon, so we're going to use yellow right here for the thunders. So we're going to use this yellow a lot, and the yellow to color the Pikachu and the interior of the Pokemon, sort of thing, and the red just mainly for the Pokeball and the cheek areas, and the brown and black. And it's right now it's kind of good that I have these because now I can mix them together and put it in the ears, so I don't have to work too hard to make that into darker brown. Okay, so that's safe brown. The black, sorry, okay, the black will be used for the eyes. Okay, so, okay, and, okay, once I do, and also the eyes and the Pokeball thing. And the white, okay, I'm planning on using the white for underneath the Pokeball, and hopefully we can actually use the white better along the Thunderbolt area so you can actually see it out, okay, because I'm using pencil crayons and you barely notice the white paint, but using normal paint like this, I'm hoping we would be able to see that. Okay, so let's just, this was the only extra copy of the paper I had, so I know it's already colored, so we will be going over this one, just the yellow part, it doesn't matter, and then we'll be using the rest, we'll be using the other colors. Okay, so, and these are basically the paintbrushes I'm going to be using. I personally don't know if they're the right size or if I should be using a smaller size. But like I said on a previous method about when we talked about supplies, right? You can easily just cut your brushes in a specific size if you need to get into areas that are small. Because I only spent $1 on a bunch of these brushes that came together, so I really don't care if this thing weighs or like, yeah, just I can always get new ones. Okay, so I don't care. Okay, well, unless you don't want to make it, kind of makes kind of a mess if you start cutting, but let's just get that ahead. You see that? Okay, so that's it for getting prepared on what I'm planning on painting. So let's start in the next video. We'll start painting. Okay, see you guys soon. And don't forget, keep it simple. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, and possibly leave a comment if you want to.